Today I'm going to be showing you how I DIY my very own ice cream cone drawing, and this is something really fun that you can either put around your house in your kitchen, in a kid's room, ice cream lover, ice cream shop place, whatever you're into. So I'm just using a reference photo and using black construction paper, just a basic black construction paper, nothing fancy here, and a white colored pencil. And what I'm doing is then I originally go in with a very light HB graphite pencil, mark in the basic shapes of the ice cream cone, then I go in with my white colored pencil as I am now and start putting in all the highlights and then eventually working up to the shadows. I really think it's important to focus on the highlights first, since the whitest of the whites are good to mark, and that kind of helps bring the ice cream cone to life with all the different swirls and shadows and complexities to the ice cream itself. So with that being said, keep watching to see how I make this DIY ice cream drawing. And if you yourself like this kind of art style, I challenge you to try doing this yourself. Or if you like what you see, you can check out my Etsy at getcraftywithjackie.etsy.com, where I also am selling different prints and plus many other things as well to get crafty with me. So keep watching to see how this piece comes to life. And here we have our finished ice cream cone drawing. How'd I do? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please be sure to tag me on social media if you try to do this art style.